Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be kissing a ham sandwich. I didn't really buy the ham sandwich yet, so let me just God damn it! Alright, seems good. Is this ham good enough? Maybe a little bit more. Now is it good enough for you? Maybe put a little bit more. Okay, is this? Man, get that crap out of here. Make me a grilled cheese sandwich. Alright, that would be $14.99. Hey, don't stop it! Alright, I got the I got the sandwich, so let's dig in, shall we?